On the edge. Understanding, precipice of. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that paints quite a vivid picture. The precipice of. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. So, let's dive in. When we talk about a precipice, we're referring to the very edge of a steep cliff. Metaphorically, being on the precipice of something suggests being very close to a particularly significant event or moment that is about to happen. It often carries a sense of urgency or critical importance. To use this phrase correctly, you'll want to pair it with a noun that represents the significant event or change you're describing. For example, she stood on the precipice of a major breakthrough in her research. Notice how it conveys she's almost there but not quite? That's the power of this phrase. Let's put precipice of into action. The company is on the precipice of bankruptcy. We are on the precipice of a new era in technology. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, highlighting its versatility. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, precipice of. Remember, it's all about conveying the sense of being on the edge of something important or transformative. Use it to add drama and intensity to your descriptions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more English language tips.